Meaning of Granny Smith.
Granny Smith.
Granny Smith.
Granny Smith.
Granny Smith. Granny Smith is a cultivar of apple that originated in Australia in the mid-1800s. It is named after Maria Ann Smith, who was given the original seedling by a chance seedling in her garden. The apple is typically round and green in color, with a tart flavor and firm texture. It is one of the most popular apple varieties in the world, known for its versatility in cooking and snacking. The Granny Smith is often used in pies, salads, and other dishes, and is also enjoyed on its own as a refreshing snack.